P3. Now here we will do the question number 4. So here this is the minimum moment of the force needed to turn each of the two door X and the Y is 30 Newton meter. Now class, here the minimum moment of the force needed to turn the two doors X and the Y is 30 Newton meter, and here the 30 Newton meter represents the value of the moment of the force. Now class, here are two conditions, door X and the door Y. Now class, here the value of the moment of the force in both the condition is 30 Newton meter, and in case of the door X, the value of the perpendicular distance between the hand and the hinge or the pivot point of the door is 1 meter, and on the other side, the door Y, the value of the perpendicular distance between the hand and the pivot point of the door is 0.1 meter. Now come towards the part A. So here we will calculate the minimum pulling force that is needed to open the door X. So class, in that condition, here we will calculate the minimum pulling force, and here we will use the formula of the moment of the force, that is moment of the force is equal to force multiplied by the perpendicular distance. So class, here the value of the moment of the force is known, as well as the value of the perpendicular distance on the both sides is known. So class, here we will calculate the force. To separate the force, here we will mold the formula of the moment of the force. So here it comes, force is equal to moment of the force over perpendicular distance. So class, here we will calculate the minimum pulling force. So here the formula is minimum pulling force is equal to moment of the force over perpendicular distance. So class, in case of the door X, the moment of the force is 30 Newton meter, and the value of the perpendicular distance is 1 meter. So class, here we will put the values, and here the answer comes 30 Newton. Here the meter cancels out with a meter. Now class, come towards the door Y. Now class, here we will calculate the minimum pulling force on the door Y. Now class, here the formula is that minimum pulling force is equal to moment of the force over the perpendicular distance. Here the value of the moment of the force is 30 Newton meter, and here the value of the perpendicular distance is 0.1 meter. So here the meter cancel out with the meter, and here the answer come 300 Newton.